There are 5 main things that you're going to need to transfer your pattern onto your embroidery hoop. Your embroidery hoop with your fabric already on it, a light source, I'm using an iPad but you can use a window, template, pair of scissors and a pen. I'm using the Pilot Friction pen. This is amazing. If you make a mistake, you can just get a hairdryer or a iron and it will come right off. So first we need to get our pattern ready. So cut around your template. If you're using a Hope and Heart template, they are already preset. The main thing that you need to just double check once you've printed them out, if it's a PDF, is just make sure that your size guide is correct. That way it will automatically fit. So once you've got your template, now you need to bring back your light source. If you're using an iPad, or obviously if you're using a window, you don't need to worry. Your hoop and your pen. So pop your template into the back, making sure that the screw is at the top and that it's in the position that you would like. There we go. I get a couple of pins just to secure my template in place so that it doesn't move around and it's just easier when I'm trying to sew. I do avoid the pattern that I am drawing. One more here. And then we're ready to start. Once you finish that, you can take your pins back out. Remove your template. And there you have it. Your completed pattern.